You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting names of wine grape varieties that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about wine. For reference, in Greek, it is said as Agiorgitiko, Agiorgitiko. In English, it is generally said as Agiorgitiko, Agiorgitiko, from Greek, Agiorgitiko. And now you know more videos here about how to pronounce more interesting wine terms that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.